What's up everybody, Brian with the SoCo Customs YouTube channel. Give this video a thumbs up, give us a subscribe, y'all know the drill. Alright guys, as you can see behind me is another 2020 GMC Sierra 2500 heavy duty with the Duramax that we built for Ferguson GMC. And let's walk around it. So hopefully I'm blocking the wind a little bit for you, but you know what, that's what happens here in Colorado in the summertime as the seasons change. So we sent this truck up 5 inches on the zone kit per usual. Comes with those Fox shocks in there, as you can see. Okay, these are the Mayhem decoys. You can see they're a nice concave. They're a 20 by 10 with a -19. Get some stance outside of there. As we always tell you with this kit, it can fit a 37 if you go with more of a stock tucked in stance. But if you want to bring the tires out a little bit, then probably want to stick with that 35. So as usual, we did go with the 35 1250 20s. These are the Kenda Klever RTs. Pretty good rough trail tire. Let's head back out front, give you a nice view of this. It's got the clearance lights up top that are blacked out. This one did also come with that crazy video camera mirror. It's got the light interior. Definitely a great look with this white with the light interior. And a new nugget of information that I just noticed is they moved the wireless charger from the center console down to where I'll actually put my phone. So that is definitely awesome. I love what they did with these 2020 GMCs. That Duramax does not leave me wanting for any more power. Great stance on there. Brian with the SoCo Customs YouTube channel. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up, give us a subscribe. Anytime you click thumbs up, it tells YouTube that this is a good video, that is relevant, that it's exactly what you were looking for, and it helps us to keep making these videos, so I definitely appreciate you guys. Share this video with your friends. Make sure that they know that this truck will be down at Ferguson GMC, and go make an offer. They don't last very long down there on their dealership.